In a small and medium-scale companies, how can we be assured that an air change rate of 6 to 12 ACH is being followed? Is there a practical method to achieve a standard ACH?
All right, for 6 to 12 ACH, no. So as what was this stated sa ating department order, no. Makikita natin doon yung formula ng air changes per hour. So what we need there is a mechanical ventilation, or which is the exhaust, no, the exhaust part, wherein you may compute it, no, sa ating formula. Now the challenge here is sa ating mga small to medium scale industries is we will provide modification sa ating mga rooms, no. So upon providing modification, then that's that time we can comply with the 6 to 12, no. Kasi again, ang air changes po kasi is hindi siya nagkakaroon ng constant, or sabihin nating yung fine line, no, for air changes kung natural ventilation lang tayo aasa. Kaya to provide an accurate result, we should have mechanical ventilation or exhaust fans for the rooms, no, especially if that room will be occupied by many people, no. Kasi with regards to, again, no, as an additional information to everyone, no, it is recommended to have an outdoor air change, outdoor airflow, no, to a limit of 100% to its design. All right. So by having that, no, we will provide more accurate air changes per hour, which is 6 to 12. And yung tinasabi natin 30 minutes kasi na dapat mag-provide na hangin, or sabihin natin ventilation system shall be operated 30 minutes prior or after the work, it is computed doon sa 6 to 12 air changes na yun.